So hello friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing this video is unavailable error code 0 problem in your YouTube app. So guys, watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing why this problem is coming in your YouTube and what's the solution of this problem. So guys, you can watch this video till end and follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. The first step is check internet connection. Make sure your device has a stable and fast connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to test. Number 2. Restart the YouTube app or browser. Close and reopen the app or tab. If you are using a browser, try YouTube in incognito or private mode. Number 3. Clear cache and data. On Android, settings, then apps, then YouTube, then storage, clear cache and clear data. On browser, clear cookies and cache for YouTube. And the number 4, update the YouTube app or browser. Go to Play Store or App Store or update your browser. Older version may have bugs causing error code 0. I hope guys you understand what I am saying. Do like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.